Welcome to another flip class with Mr. Wilson. We are continuing in our nutrition and soccer unit. Last flip class we spoke about the reasons why we need energy, some things that would happen if we did not eat food, and why people actually need food. So we're going to go on to the next part of this. Again, still at the elementary level of nutrition, reviewing and going over things that you have discussed in prior years here at TEP. Some things we'll be discussing today. What is a calorie? What is digestion? What are proteins? What are carbohydrates? And lastly, what is a diet? So number one, what is a calorie? Okay? A calorie is the energy value of food that is measured in units. The energy value of food that is measured in units. Okay, that is known as a calorie or a kilocalorie, but we're going to keep the word calories in there. What is digestion? Digestion is the process by which your body breaks down food and nutrients in food into simpler substances. Okay? It's the process by which your body breaks down food and nutrients in food into simpler substances. I would encourage you to take a minute or two to look at each part of the digestion process so you can get familiar with this. It's just good knowledge that you should have. What are proteins? Okay, the primary nutrient for repairing and rebuilding body tissue. Proteins are the primary nutrient for repairing and rebuilding body tissues. I like to go to the gym and work out. And many times before and after a workout, I will have a protein shake, which would promote or will promote the repairing of my body tissue that I've just worked out. Proteins. What are carbohydrates? Right? We know they're things like bread and pasta. But why are they so important? Okay? Carbohydrates are your body's main source of energy. Carbohydrates are your main source of energy. And lastly, what is a diet? Okay? You hear about many people going on it, but what does that consist of? What is a diet? Okay? A diet is a pattern of eating that includes what a person eats, how much a person eats, and how often a person eats. Okay, it's a pattern of eating that includes what a person eats, how much a person eats, and how often a person eats. Okay, and we will be focusing on later on in the year on coming up with a daily food plan that is consistent with a certain type of diet you would like to have be a part of your regular daily eating routine. All right, so this is our last flip class of the first trimester. It's been awesome doing this flip class with you. Please make sure that this assignment is done. When we come in tomorrow, we will quickly review this assignment, have a couple of minutes of some 6-on-6 soccer, and then we will get into Fitness Thursday. Please make sure that you're studying all the materials that I've given you so far during this soccer and nutrition unit so that you can be successful on the test that we are taking on Monday. Have a great night.